some agents put in the square footage of the basement, whether or not it's finished. This is going to be a decision for running comps that you're going to have to work out. Do you include your basement? Do you not? As you look at pictures, as you get more experience in running comps, you'll start to see what's going on in the neighborhood in your area. So the basement size is going to be 1,000 because upstairs it's the same size. And what am I looking for? Oh, the lot size. Lot, 0.15 acres. Oh, great. Let's convert acres to square feet. I love the internet. Acre, 0.15, 6534. 6534, which I know that might seem like a big difference, but it's not. All of the sizes I know for this is roughly the same. You know, if that was 4,000, maybe I'd start to think about stuff. Oh, and I've put those in the wrong V. 10, 28. Accuracy is key when running comps, so... Okay, so this house is the same size, built about the same time. It's right next door, same number of bedrooms, bathrooms. So let's just take a quick look, see if there's any pictures here that we can look at. There's not. Okay, I've already mentioned when running comps there's lots of different places that you can find information. So I'm just going to put the address in there. And look, this one has 25 photos. The beauty of that is we can look at the photos and, wow, looks nice inside, huh? And actually get an understanding, see if there is another bathroom, because sometimes they do, but they just don't list it. Okay, so there's not. The basement is completely open space. So let's go back to, we know that that's not. So, yeah. I mean, it's still a good comp, 3-1. They could put a bathroom in, so we might have to make a little adjustment there, even though I said not. So, let's jump to comp number 2. We've got a price, 362. It's a good one. 390, 3 bed, 3 bath. Oh, heck. Okay. And I know that's the one on Scranton for 390, so let's bring that up. So we can still see the comp sheet. Let's scroll over here. Address 5542. Just for an update, running comps here for a property in Denver, and you can do this for free. You can run your own comps for free. Year built. Well, we've got the sold price, so let's go sold price 390,123. Oh, and it is very close by, which is again important for running comps. 325 2021 is the sold date. This sold date is much closer, so well, I would say it's a much better comp. It's so recent. Built. Let's scroll down to when it was built. 1969. Great. It's only 2 years apart from built. Beds, 3 bed, 3 bath. 3 bed, 3 bath. 1976 square feet. 1976. Missed one here, so let's take, does it have a garage? Property details, parking, garage 0. So this is good. Basement. Property levels 2, so it's probably going to have a full basement. Oh, and it's finished full basement. So we're expecting on this one for there to be a full basement. Lot size 0.15 acres from memory. That is the same. We did the, remember, 0.15 square feet. Make this there. 634. Okay, so now I want to look at the pictures. see what's actually going on with this third bathroom. I've seen where they've said 3 bathrooms and there's not. So, okay, there's one. Looks like it's off the master. That's cool. See that picture of that kitchen? Stove moved, so I've changed the layout. So that's probably the old layout. We would have to go inside this property to see. Oh no, they've put a kitchenette downstairs, or a kitchen downstairs. Okay, so this actually has 2 kitchens. It's kind of cool. Granny suite. Oh, silly internet. Okay. Oh, there we go. It's bathroom 2. And then one off the master. So there is actually 3 bathrooms in that. That's cool. $390. So $390. One might argue the difference would be like $370. Let's just, or what's the, there's 15,000 difference between those. So if we took 15,000 off, that would be 375K. Just for giggles, because we got 2. Wonder if that's where our property would end up. It's still a great comp. It's very close by. It's exactly the same property, similar condition, to be honest. Now, comp number 3, 5530 Troy. Again, that's where our property is, and this property is that one there. So again, really close. You know, you could throw a stone, boop, and hit it, which makes it a great comp. Let's take a look at this. So, address 5530 Troy. I'm going to try and do this a bit quicker because we don't have lots of time, or you might have a short amount of time. Sold price 367 123. Sold date 11/13/20. 11/13/2020. Still, it's close. Year built. Let's scroll down to the information. 69. Told you all of these are the same, but we are saying 4.2. Garage. Oh, it says it has a garage. Let's have a look. I can see a garage space is 2. Covered space is 2. Maybe it's